Man, that was a nice time scuba diving underwater. I might see what Puppycorn is up to.
Alright, I'll just put that there, and get the buildings organized.
Hey Puppycorn, what are you doing?
Well, Lil'Petey, I am making a cool sand model out of Unikitty's kingdom. Say, would you like to help me?
Why? Of course.
When they are done with the model...
Yeah, we finished the model. Let's show this to Unikitty.
Great idea. Let's go get her.
Looks like the two are not near the sand model.
Now this is our chance to destroy the entire model. Ha 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 ha.
I better get the item we'll use, which is going to be a hammer.
Okay, we above it, and now we're going to destroy it now. Drop the hammer, Christo.
Okay sis, we made a sand model of the kingdom, and it's just over there. Oh no, our sand model. It's completely ruined.
This is a special gift for you, Unikitty, and now it's destroyed.
I have a guess that someone must have came around and ruined it while you were getting me.
Ha 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 ha. You deserved it big time.
Aha. We should have known you 9 troublemakers did this.
That was supposed to be something special for my sister. So why you 9 did this?
We don't care. That is something special for your annoying sister.
Here, take that, you loser, kitty.
That does it. I am calling Raven's parents right now.
You kids seriously think you can ruin a special gift? Well, you're all wrong.
Now get in the car, and we'll dropping you 8 kids off at your houses. And Raven, you're going to your room when we get back to the house.
I sure hope those 9 learned their lessons.
Us too. Anyway sis, we'll go out for lunch and then get some ice cream to make up for this mess.
Alright then guys, let's go.